number 5 of our activity here. So I got 3w plus 4 is less than negative 5. Hopefully by this point you kind of see how easy this really is. This guy's ready to go. There's no flipping on thing that we're going to need to do. Just make a copy of that plus 4, but I got to make it what? Negative. Make a copy, put over here. So I'm going to have to minus 4 on both sides. That's what I have. So over here becomes minus 4 on both sides. This will cancel. So just model it over here. It's gone. And it's disappears. So I got 3x or 3w is less than negative 9. I think this is where we have our issues. Is our students still struggling here? They're going to tell you it's positive 9, positive 20, all that good stuff, because negative is positive. You know, again, concept before skill gets you out of a lot of, keeps you from having to wait so long for kids to get things. Use the tiles alongside the abstract. You can't make the errors on this, on the adding an arithmetic component, right? They should be able to tell you, hey, it's negative 9. I have negative 9 here. That has to be negative 9. At some point in time, that brain will catch up. Then divide by 3, w is less than negative 3, right? Again, negative 3, issues with the rules and all that stuff. Guys, when we stay abstract and we lose opportunities to really help out our students. They need to see things like the modeling component. They did it in elementary, or should have done it in elementary. You can always go back to that and say, you know, this is what it really means. What division is you separating equally. That concept goes a lot further then. They don't struggle so much in this part because they start thinking that way. I'm separating equally, right? So I get negative 3 on both sides, and I get the right answer. Eventually, they'll see this in their heads, and they won't need this anymore. They can just stay here the entire time. Here's my 0. Here's that negative 3. I need values that are less than it, and so I'm shading to the left. Right? Use that 0 rule. Is 0 less than negative 3? No, it's not. I'm not shading this way. I have the right answer. We're good to go. That little 0 thing I like to do comes into play later when we have things like this. And we're graphing on that XY coordinate plane. Just that's the reason I do it. All right, and that's it. It's pretty easy stuff.